Today I am here with my original Bucket Boss brand. And so this is basically a sleeve that you put around your bucket to help you stay organized. And essentially, your bucket really turns into almost like a toolbox, I guess you can say. So look at all the little pockets that it comes with. We already have some of our tools in here, but I just want to kind of turn it around and show you how convenient this is. So you're able to just, and this sleeve is really easy to put on. It even has pockets on the inside. You can put your gloves in there, more tools. It's just a really nice way to stay organized and to create more space. Let's say if you already have a toolbox, but your toolbox is full, or you have multiple toolboxes and they're all full, you're able to go ahead and grab this sleeve, put it over your buckets, and create more space this way. And then in the event that you would need to fill your bucket up with water for whatever reason, you can just go ahead and take the sleeve off easily and fill it up with water and use it that way as well. But overall, a great invention, works really well. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Bye.